I'll do that crap. This is his slow area.
It's speeding style.
Oh, speeding style. Speeding style! Ah! Dude, come on, dude. I'll do some crazy crap, dude. Dirt bike, of course, with flips and crap in it. He rocks, he gets back up. Jump, backflip.
Go. Come on. Go.
This is gonna be hard.
Is he gonna get past? Is he gonna get past?
Finish line for motocross. Go. He wrecked it, did. Oh, he dropped his wheels. Picked them back up. Throws them in the air. Throws the other one in the air. Catches it. Oh.
Go.
Step down.
Step down. Go. Go. Finish line. Go.